The inner reel is the spool that the trimmer line is wrapped around. It has a series of tabs on top that, along with the outer spool, allow the trimmer head to feed out more line when it is tapped on the ground. Common problems with the inner reel are wear to the control tabs. This can cause the trimmer head to feed no line or to feed line uncontrollably, and wear to the spool divider that keeps the two pieces of line separate from one another on the spool. This can cause the line to jam and not feed consistently. Replacing the inner reel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trimmer attachment. Now I'll remove the bump cap. And the spool. Now we can begin installing the new spool. First, I'll transfer the spring from the old one to the new. And then I'll remove any trimmer line that's left on the old spool and wrap it around the new one. I'll unwind the line. And then I'll wind each of the lines one at a time onto the new spool. There's a hole inside the spool to hold the line in place. And then you'll notice on the bottom of the spool, it tells you the direction to wind the line. And now I can install the new spool. I thread the trimmer line through the eyelets. Place it onto the shaft. Pull the line to pull it out of the holders. And then replace the bump knob. And that's how easy it is to install an inner reel on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.